What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to align text in cells in Microsoft Excel. Proper text alignment in your cell can make your spreadsheet look cleaner and more professional. It also helps in making the data easier to read and follow, especially in larger sheets with lots of information. Let's begin by opening your Excel file that contains some text data. Once you've opened the file, select the cell or range of cells where you want to adjust the text alignment. All these alignment options are available under the Home tab in the Alignment group. First, let's tackle vertical alignment. You have three options here: top, center, and bottom. Clicking top aligns the text with the top of the cell, useful for aligning numbers or single lines of text in a cell with adjusted row heights. Center vertically aligns the text in the middle of the cell, which is great for headings or when you want to visually center text in a larger cell. Bottom will align your text to the bottom of the cell, which is the default setting for Excel. For horizontal alignment, the options are left, center, and right. Left aligns text to the left side of the cell, which is standard for most data entry. Center aligns text to the middle of the cell horizontally and is often used for titles or to improve readability of important data points. Right aligns text to the right, which is commonly used for numerical data that may need to line up by decimal for easier comparison. Merging cells is another useful feature for text alignment, particularly when you want to create a single heading across multiple columns. In the Alignment group, click on Merge and Center. This will merge selected cells into one and center the text within. Be cautious with this tool, as it can make data harder to sort or filter later. Another helpful feature in the Alignment group is Wrap Text. This button wraps long text into multiple lines within a cell, allowing you to see all the content without widening the column. This is especially useful for lengthy descriptions or when you need to maintain a uniform column width. Aligning text in Excel is a fundamental skill that enhances the readability and appearance of your spreadsheets, making your data presentations as clear and effective as possible. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.